Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Pinning multiple chats on WhatsApp is super useful if you want quick access to your most important conversations. Let me walk you through exactly how to do this in 2026. Step 1. Open WhatsApp and look at your chat list. You'll see all your conversations displayed. The chats you want to pin should be the ones you message most frequently or are most important to you. Take a moment to identify which conversations you'd like to pin at the top. Step 2. Long press on the first chat you want to pin. You'll see it highlight, and a menu will appear at the top of your screen with several options. Look for the pin icon, which typically looks like a thumbtack. Tap it to pin that chat to the top. Step 3. Repeat this process for each additional chat you want to pin. You can pin as many chats as you need, and they'll stack on top in the order you pinned them. Each chat you pin will appear above all unpinned conversations. Step 4. Once you've pinned your chats, you can reorder them if needed by long pressing and dragging them to your preferred position. This gives you complete control over which chats appear first. Step 5. To unpin a chat later, simply long press it again and tap the unpin option. You can manage your pinned chats anytime by repeating these steps. This keeps your most important conversations easily accessible whenever you open WhatsApp.